Hi, I'm Dr. Joan Friedman. Welcome back to Twin Tuesday. I've had a few consultations this week with older identical twin women, and it's been a very interesting sort of compatible story that both of them are talking about, but from different sides of the issue. One woman talks about feeling very victimized and humiliated and embarrassed because she's had to be very needy for her twins' help. Her twins' life has taken a much better turn than her own, and consequently, she has often needed her twins' assistance, and her twin has been at times very helpful, but also at times very resentful. And another woman who I spoke to in a similar situation, but she's on the other end. She's the one who's been trying to help her twin sister, who's gone through a lot of trials and tribulations, but has gotten to the point where she feels absolutely overwhelmed and burdened because it's never enough. Her sister makes her feel like she doesn't do enough for her, and then, of course, makes her sister feel very guilty and bad, and ultimately very angry because the twin who's giving feels unappreciated, and the twin who's receiving feels that it's not enough. It's an interesting dynamic, and I'm sure it's not uniquely related to twins, but I know that it's exaggerated because of twins feeling growing up that their lives are going to be so equal, and they're going to be having the same things and the same experiences and the same ups and downs, which of course can't possibly realistically happen when you're an adult and there's so many outside influences. So I guess again, those consultations were a very good reminder to me that parents of twins really have to be careful about setting up this expectation of equality and fairness, because absolutely when the twins grow up, so much of this does not turn out to be that way. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you next week.